It's been so long since I last saw you two. How's life going?
All's good. Been busy with so many researches that I almost do not have time to sleep.
It's been tough but happy.
Why is that?
Growing in Middleburg, life in the city is not easy. Adjustment is a bit difficult, but I'm getting the hang of it. Now, I'm focusing on spectacles.
But you're making a name, Zacharias. I heard some buzz going around. They said you invented a microscope. We have one right here.
Well, I did. While working with my father, I discovered that combining two lenses in a tube magnifies object more. I have my own model in the Middleburg Museum. And what we have right here is the new model. You might want to check it sometime.
Fantastic. I would love to. Your invention actually helps scientists, researchers, and doctors to observe microscopic organisms. This led to the advancement in the study of living things, medicine, and the ability to diagnose and treat disease effectively.
That's true. I agree with you. I'm a bacteriologist, and being one, I always use a microscope, your invention, to observe things inside of my lab.
I also heard you, Fleming, is making a name these past days.
Well, I discovered penicillin.
How?
When I arrived at my lab after a holiday, I noticed moles in my petri dish. These moles were produced by bacteria which stop the growth of other bacteria. This is a type of antibiotic.
My sources said they used it during World War II.
Yes, they used this to treat wounded soldiers to reduce death from infection and pneumonia. This is also used to treat many common illnesses and also plays a key role in the development of other types of antibiotics.
It must be amazing to become one of you guys. Your inventions save millions of lives. I am so proud of the two of you. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having us.